Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. If you're a proud GMC Sierra owner, you know how important it is to keep your truck's interior clean and protected. In today's video, we'll help you find the best floor mats for your GMC Sierra, ensuring both style and functionality. Let's dive in. Number 1. Husky Liners floor mats are a game changer for GMC Sierra owners. These mats are the ultimate combination of style and functionality. They fit like a glove in your Sierra, providing unbeatable protection against dirt, mud, and spills. Plus, the rugged design adds a touch of toughness to your truck's interior. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit, so you don't have to worry about slipping or sliding. Cleaning is a breeze, just remove, rinse, and reinstall. Upgrade your Sierra's interior with Husky Liners floor mats and experience a whole new level of durability and style. Your truck deserves the best, and these mats deliver. Number 2. LastFaint floor mats, the ultimate upgrade for your GMC Sierra. These mats are a game changer, blending rugged durability with sleek style. Whether you're conquering off-road adventures or cruising the city streets, LastFaint's got you covered. Precision fit for the Sierra, they hug every curve and corner, providing maximum protection against spills, dirt, and wear. But here's the real kicker, they look amazing. These mats aren't just accessories, they're statement pieces that elevate your truck's interior to a whole new level. Get ready to turn heads and keep your Sierra's floors pristine. LastFaint floor mats are the way to go. Number 3. OEDRO's exceptional floor mats, the ultimate accessory for your GMC Sierra. These mats are a game changer, offering unbeatable protection and style. Crafted with precision, they fit your Sierra like a glove, embracing every contour. Rain or shine, these mats are up for any challenge, safeguarding your vehicle's interior from dirt, spills, and whatever life throws your way. The robust build ensures they'll stand the test of time, while the sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your ride. Elevate your GMC Sierra with OEDRO floor mats, the epitome of form and function. Number 4. Maxliner floor mats redefine the game for GMC Sierra owners. These mats are not just a luxurious accessory, they're a necessity. Crafted with precision and engineered for perfection, Maxliner floor mats fit like a glove in your GMC Sierra. The attention to detail is astonishing, from their sleek design to the durable materials that can withstand anything you throw at them. Whether it's muddy boots, spilled coffee, or even the toughest weather conditions, Maxliner has you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning your car interior. Upgrade to Maxliner and elevate your GMC Sierra to a whole new level of style and protection. Don't settle for less, Maxliner delivers excellence. Number 5. Yam Motor has truly revolutionized the game with their floor mats, tailored specifically for the GMC Sierra. These mats are nothing short of remarkable. From the moment you lay eyes on them, you'll be captivated by their sleek design and precise fit. The rugged durability of these mats is astounding. They can handle anything you throw at them, from mud and snow to spills and crumbs. But what truly sets them apart is the luxurious feel underfoot, giving your truck's interior a touch of sophistication. Yam Motor's floor mats for the GMC Sierra are the ultimate blend of style, functionality, and durability. Don't settle for less. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best floor mats for your GMC Sierra, it's essential to consider durability, style, and protection. After reviewing our top picks, you're now equipped with the information needed to make the right choice for your truck. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your quest for the perfect floor mats.